So if you guys remember the pool, and my mom pushed me in, I'm gonna push her in. Good morning. My voice is cracking. I just had my coffee, but we are cooking up some breakfast right now. My dad they're gonna try a goose egg and a turkey egg for the first time. Got the goose egg all cleaned up, and he's washing the turkey egg right now. Got some bacon frying. Dad, what did you find this morning?
Well, I went out and checked on the girls, and I couldn't find two of them, so I was looking around, and I looked across and they were in the other side of the goat pen. So I went out there to get her, the chickens in, and I looked over and I saw our first egg.
They got their first egg. We didn't know if they were going to give us any eggs today since of the travel and a different environment, but these reds, they lay so good, and I was super pumped. I came in this morning and there was an egg just sitting on the counter, and I was like, why would they just put an egg there? I was like, oh, they laid an egg for the first time here. So that was pretty good. You said that you saw some spots where they kind of laid at night.
Right.
So they made themselves at home pretty good.
Yeah, and hopefully I'll get their pen fixed with the gate on it so that they can go in at night and roost, and they'll know where their living spot is.
Yeah, so I came here and I told Jaylena on the way down, I said, it's going to be weird. I don't know what to do. There's nothing for us to do. We're just coming down to drop the dogs off and chickens off and just enjoy it. And they said, no way. We got some honey-do list for you to do.
And we're going to fix our floating pier.
We're going to take this out. Maybe this cabinet might be coming out, and open the kitchen up, fix the pier out there, fix the chicken area.
Maybe the rest of the goat pens.
They're putting me to work. I was coming down for vacation and they put me to work.
Hey.
So that's a part of being home and his son. So our brains are always moving, thinking of stuff to do. So we're gonna knock out a lot of stuff this week and hopefully try these eggs, and hopefully y'all like them.
Oh, I'm sure we will. They'll just be big.
Do you think the turkey or goose eggs gonna taste better?
I think the goose egg's gonna be better.
Mom?
Turkey.
Just to be
She's a
the
turkey.
opposite of Dad?
She's a turkey anyway.
Because she's an old turkey and he's an old goose.
That's right.
So we're gonna cook this up real quick and we're gonna see what they like better.
Well, it's possible I've eaten turkey eggs and goose eggs before since I was raised on a ranch. So, but
And you said Peepaw used to raise quail?
yeah, Peepaw, he had like 4,000 quail at one time.
Because that's not a lot.
He has a big giant incubator down in the barn. Been trying to get Jason to take it, but he's afraid that he might not be able to fill it because it's so big. So we'll see. But yeah, ow! Bacon. Great stuff, but it gets you every time you don't watch it. But
What are some other crazy animals y'all had growing up? Y'all had bobcats?
yeah, we've had several bobcats.
And y'all just got them straight off the ranch as babies or what?
Yeah, they were babies. We had one called Tina Marie when we were living on the ranch. She was little. We've had javelinas, raccoons in the house.
Didn't y'all have a deer?
We had several deer, and the one little buck grew up to be about an 8-pointer before he took off. But yeah, we've had all kinds of animals: bobcats, deer, javelina, anything you can think of out there at the ranch. You know, whatever you catch.
Mom, do you remember when I had that baby armadillo?
I do. I actually took a baby armadillo to school. Was that the same one?
Maybe.
I took it because I was teaching first grade science that year. And I took him, and I remember Mason Murr enjoyed the baby armadillo.
Do you remember it following me around the yard?
No.
Oh.
But it was a tiny little thing.
It was a hurricane that we had, and I guess the mom got killed or wasn't around, and I found it in the yard, so I brought it in, put it in a fish aquarium, and I had it for a while until it died. But it would follow me around the yard. I had a pet armadillo.
You asked Jaylena if she would ever try eating armadillo.
Yeah, she said no.
Dad and I cooked an armadillo one time.
There ain't no emails on here I should be showing, is there?
No, but I'll.
It's poor man's pork.
Yeah, it tasted like a pork roast, and I took the first bite. It was good and everything, and then I realized I was eating armadillo and I couldn't eat anymore. But it was not bad. It tasted like a pork roast.
It's very rich. The meat on it, on armadillo, is so rich. It's like a 1 meal deal. You just eat it for one time, and then it's so rich you can't eat any more of it.
So now y'all know why we're super country. Because my mom ate armadillos and my dad had crazy animals as pets. So we're gonna crack the goose egg open real quick.
If I can get it open, because it's a thick shell. Come on, don't break.
Oh! Look at that!
What do you think of that big old egg in there, Ma?
That's crazy.
Look at this. This is a chicken egg, and that yolk is bigger than the egg.
Fills up the whole pan.
It's a big old yolk.
That's a big old egg. That's like eating 3 chicken eggs, looks like.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I mean, I'm definitely gonna eat some of it.
So now we're gonna crack the turkey egg open. Dang, that seems tough. And that's more like a duck egg or something.
Yeah, about the size of a duck egg.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the turkey egg better.
It's gonna be all good. Cut it up.
So this is the goose egg and turkey egg. And see what y'all think of the flavors.
It's definitely seems like they're a little
Tough.
firmer. Not tough, just firmer.
So Mom's going in for a goose egg.
I mean, it doesn't taste bad.
Does it taste different than a duck egg or a chicken egg?
Try the turkey.
Not really.
So now she can try turkey.
Just quite a bit of egg is all.
And that tastes just like a chicken egg.
The turkey?
Well, they'd be great to have, like I said, you know, for like if you're gonna do baking, I bet you can use one goose egg instead of
3 eggs, chicken eggs.
And for breakfast, you like for a group of us, you wouldn't have to cook a dozen. You could just cook 4.
And the white seems to be a little more rubbery.
That's the goose. Oh, there's Matt.
Hey,
Hey, Matt.
Matt's here.
hey, Matt.
You right in the middle of them trying some eggs.
This is our son, Matt, our oldest son.
You can't see him because he has camo on.
Hey, Bubba. Good seeing you.
Want to try a goose egg?
Or a turkey egg.
Goose turkey. Want to taste it?
Try it, Dad.
I'll get you.
Tastes like an egg to me.
But does it taste more like duck or chicken?
That's all we have, so you can just take a bite. This tastes like a regular chicken egg, so it's not going to grow.
Tastes like a chicken egg, really.
Have you tried the turkey one yet or no?
No.
What is this?
That's turkey,
That's turkey.
and then that's goose.
They're probably the same. It's just this one is bigger.
Do you even know the difference between if that was a chicken egg?
If you wouldn't have told me, I
No, you wouldn't, but taste that one. That's a little different.
This whole thing was the egg.
It's the size of
I
like
wish
3
you could see
chicken
the
eggs.
yolk.
That was just one egg. Tastes pretty good, huh? Like a chicken egg?
I wouldn't have been able to tell the
Yeah.
difference on that either.
I guess y'all fried it, so it's not scrambled egg.
There's some bacon to go with it.
So this is our older brother Matt that we've talked about, and y'all saw him comment in the live chats. But we're gonna go to the ranch today after Mom and Dad make us do all these chores, and then we're gonna see what we get into. So their dog, of course, yesterday we brought him, and it's their dog now, not ours. But they named him Cody. But last night we were talking, and we decided his name's gonna be Tex, Big Tex. So from now on, you guys got to comment and say Tex, not Cody, because we switched it up. Like Stainer used to be Dakota, and now he's Stainer. So his name is Tex. So if you guys remember the pool, and my mom pushed me in, I'm gonna push her in. But I think the weather's good enough that maybe tomorrow we'll be swimming. And like 2 or 3 years ago, it was Christmas Day and we were swimming out here. That's how South Texas works. But there's a pier down there we're gonna fix, and then we'll probably swim and do some other stuff that they need. But today we're gonna go out to the ranch and we're gonna enjoy that, and that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. You guys will see. So we're gonna call it a short day today for the vlog, and we're gonna do our stuff. My dad's got the waterfall going.
Just
so
subscribe.
finish it, Dad.
Hit the notification button.
Social media.
Social media, Instagram.
Social security.
Yeah, especially Social Security.
So
That's my favorite.
we're gonna call it a day. Matt has a camp spot out there at the ranch that he's been going to for how long? Like 4 years or something?
Something like that.
And what'd you find, a flashlight out there buried, you said?
Yeah, a flashlight I left out there, I think in 2015,
And it
was a
still
little
works?
rusty, but still works.
So we're gonna go out to the ranch and we're gonna see what animals we see. I think we're gonna go fishing and camp out there. So we're gonna do some cool stuff. I got the drone and batteries charging. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. And Jaylena will actually be in that vlog. She was busy exercising and getting ready. So we're gonna call it a day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya then.